Oh, hello. Didn't see you there. Gonna show you today how to make iced coffee. There's the easy, quick way, and there's the long way, which is called brew coffee. Now, the easy, quick way is the hot brew coffee, which is what you usually get at the cafe when you order iced coffee. And this is just putting a shot of hot coffee and adding cold water on top of it, which gives you the iced coffee. Now we're gonna have a comparison today between the two. So this is the hot brew coffee, and get some ice just to make sure it's cold enough. And the cold brew coffee, which is what I did earlier, is this one right here, and I will show you how that's done right now. And this is what we have. So I'll add some ice to this as well, and I'm going to test them. Okay, you can feel this is a bit bitter and more acidic, as you would expect. And try this one now. This is almost sweet. It's doesn't have as much acid as this, so you don't even have to add sugar to get rid of the taste, or milk, but you can just what I usually do is I just sprinkle some milk on top like that, which is just enough to make it taste better. And that's about it. You're not allowed to have that. Neither of them. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.